Good morning to you. Certainly looks as though there's going to be little change in our weather over the next few days in terms of rainfall amounts. Yet again, it's going to be another day of sunny spells. There will be some subtle differences with each day this week, and I'll try and point those out as we go along. Now, over the next few hours, we see clearer skies and the touch of mist and fog perhaps forming down into the extreme southeast, always staying a little more grey, wet and windier up into the extreme northwest. These will be our temperatures to greet us, 4 to 7 degrees, largely across the country. So first thing in the morning, there will be a little bit of fair weather cloud just to the north of London, but largely a fine start. So after any early morning misty murkiness clears away, it will be promising indeed. There will have been a little bit of rain through the night, so a little grey and damp perhaps across the Channel Isles and into Cornwall and Devon. There will be a lot of low cloud, and from that cloud maybe the odd spot or two of drizzle as well. But it's a mild start, not too bad across much of West Wales with just a light breeze, and hopefully further inland the cloud should eat thin a little. For Northern Ireland, it's a cloudy grey start. We've got that patchy rain just to the northwest of the Great Glen, not really amounting to too much, 7 or 8 degrees elsewhere. Now to the east of the Pennines, we should see that cloud remaining well broken. To the west, it's a different story, maybe a little cloudier and greyer. Now as the day progresses, the difference is that hopefully that cloud should start to thin and break in 1 or 2 more spots, but again, always the further north and west you are, the greater chance of seeing a grey and gloomy affair throughout the day. But in the sunshine, it will feel quite pleasant, 14 to 16 degrees the high generally. The further east you are, the further west it stays a little cloudier and a little greyer. Now as we move towards Thursday, there is a greater chance perhaps of seeing more sunshine coming through. Again, the far southwest, we could have some outbreaks of light, patchy rain, 17 degrees the high, and the winds will swing round to an east-southeasterly direction, and so that means here we see a little more cloud and a disappointing feel to things. Unfortunately, with that southeasterly direction, it continues to blow in cloud off the North Sea and it stays rather grey. Now, as that area of high pressure drifts further north, it allows this frontal system to drift into the southwest, and that will bring some outbreaks of light rain across the country during Friday. So a change in our weather for the end of the working week. It will bring some outbreaks of light rain. It won't affect the temperatures too much. Highs again of 16 degrees. The best of the sunshine on Friday, perhaps into the extreme north and west. As we move into the weekend, though, the drier weather returns, although it will stay rather cloudy. Take care.
She needs to get a grip and stop passing the buck.
They are putting the politics ahead of the economics.